welcome to John's Barrel Making. It's another week, a little bit later this week than normal. I've been away for the weekend, so that's why there's not been a video on since last Wednesday. So I hope you did enjoy the U-96 U-boats. But today we've got the Ford Falcon. Yes, this is issues 3 and 4. I have got 5 and 6, but I don't like to have the video too long. Here we have the parts. This is for the blower assembly, which is on the front of the car. Here, there we go. Excellent. We also get a free gift this month. There we go, a tin poster. Brilliant. Still wrapped up, obviously, but it looks nice and bonny. That will look great on wall. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's have a look at the magazine. Here we go. The iconic Ford Falcon XB-GT Post-Apocalyptic Edition. There we go. Stage 3 blower assembly. Got a motor in this as well. That is the area of assembly, as you can see. Excellent. Those are the instructions, and that is a completed assembly. That looks fantastic. Look at that, what a classic. Diamonds There Forever, 1971, the Ford Mustang Mach 1 at the Bond in Motion exhibition, London Film Festival. Beautiful cars. Quite a lot in this magazine. And next set of parts, blower housing and mounts, drive belt, pulleys and pipes. Anyway, there are the parts. Let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out. There we go, those are the parts. That is a nice chunky piece of metal, that. Excellent. I was worried that was going to be plastic. So that is going to look superb, that. That's brilliant. That's the blower housing main part. Then we have the blower housing top part, the regulator, the scoop, the pipe connectors, which are all on this sprue. There's just the 3 of them. So don't lose any, whatever you do. Then we have the blower housing front plate, and then we have the drive shaft, motor with cable, motor brackets, and we have PS23, DSO1 and PSO2 screws. Okay, first things we need are these. Pop all these to one side, set these off the sprue. Just be careful how you cut these off. There we go. We have 3E1, 3E2 and 3E3. Now 3E1 is this one. Oops, there we go. Now this will go into here. It's a D-shaped connection. So it's that one that we need. That one will go into there, hopefully. It's going to be a tight fit, no it's not. It's going in nice and money, that. Excellent. Then we need 3E2, which is this one. Again, well that's round. It should go in there, no problem. Yeah, that's a nice tight fit. This one might need some glue on it, that one, the first one. And then we have 3E3, which is this one, and that one goes just there, like that. I would imagine we get some pipe work on these, as you can see. Got pointed ends. There we go. Excellent. Okay, next step, we need 3D, and 3C goes over the top. Get it the right way around. There we go. You can see that peg there, that large peg goes through that hole there. That fits there. We need one screw there, which is a PSO2 screw. Okay, let's get this screwed into place. There we go. Next, we need 3B, which is like that. That fits just there, like that, with these 2 little lugs at the top. And then we need the main blower housing. There we go. That will go over the top, capture them like that. Like I said, that is metal, so that is brilliant. That we need to fix that, I think, with a PSO2 screw again. Okay, we've got the screw. Let's get the screw into place. There we go. That's how it's shaping up at the moment. Next we need the motor and fit the cross-shaped shaft of the motor 3H into the blower driving shaft 3G. We need, there we go, 3F. So we need 3F, 3G and 3H. That fits in there like that. The motor fits just there like that. See, it's cross-shaped, so it will only, well, they're going more than one way, but there we go. It's a lovely tight bit, that as well. Okay, now next we need to take these 3 pieces, this front piece here, 3F, it will actually go here and it will slip down into there like that. Now we just keep the motor into place, put that back in, set that up again, pop that in there, put the cable through the back, put 3F into position just there, and not losing that. It is loose at the moment, but we've got a bracket for this afterwards. There we go. Now we need a screw, DSO1 screw, just here. This is a flange screw, and with 3F in position, it should hold that just there like that. Brilliant. Now we need the bracket, which will keep this motor in place. That will go over that lug there. There we go. That'll keep the motor in place. Brilliant stuff. We need a DSO1 screw for that. Okay, let's get the screw into place. There we go. Pop all that out of the way. That is what we're left with at the moment. I don't know whether we can test this motor. I'll see if I've got a tester for it actually. Okay, finally found my little battery pack. There we go. Nice and slow. Excellent. At least we know it's working anyway. That was brilliant. Let's move on to stage 4. Okay, stage 4, we have blow assembly part 2. So we have the base plate, the rear plate, the mount, drive belt, pulley mechanism 1, swing arm, pulley mechanism 2, 3, regulator pipe 1 and 2, DSO 6 and PS23 screws. Yeah, lots of fiddly stuff to do in this one. There's the back plate. Yeah, that'll look great, that. There we are, completed assembly. That'll look fantastic. We'll have that going round as well. And here is the rest of the magazine. Mags and rags. More brilliant looking cars. Not sure about that, to be honest. The Tesla one. And in the next issue, we have new parts. Door window trim, side mirror, keyhole and handle. There we go. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here we have the parts, let's get them out. There we go, those are our parts. First couple of parts that we need are these 2 pipes. One is longer than the other, so we'll have to identify exactly which is which. Okay, first pipe we need is 4i, which is the shorter of the 2. That will fit onto here, and it will fit onto there. So from there to there. Let's see, pop this one on first. There we go. Get our tweezers and we can flip this around and pop it into place. There we go, that's the first pipe. Excellent. The second pipe goes on to these 2, which is 3E2 and 3E3. Let's see, pop that around. Get that into place. There we go. Get in. There we go. That's some 2 lower pipes. Excellent stuff. Next we need 4E, which is this piece. That will fit just there over the motor. Yeah, you can see it's shaped, so it will only fit on that way like that, and we connect that with a PS23 screw. Okay, let's get a PS23 screw into here, straight through the middle, capturing that. Again, keeping that in place. There we go, that's on the motor. Next we need the swing arm for F. That will fit onto here. There is a peg here. That will fit into there. We need to press that in place and connect that with another PS23 screw. That's a lovely tight fit, that. Okay, let's capture that just through there. There we go. Make sure you get that peg fully through. Excellent. Now we need 4H and 4G. We connect these 2 together. That will go onto there. That will go onto the swing arm, and we'll keep them together with another PS23 screw. This is where the belt goes, obviously. There we go. Brilliant. And now I suppose we can put the belt on. Is it best that way or that way? There we go. Excellent, that fits over, no problem whatsoever. Now we need the backing plate, which is 4B. So we'll need this out of here. There we go. Move that out of the way. Make sure we get this the right way around. Yeah, that's the right way around. And that will just press into place, just like that. That looks pretty cool, does it not? Excellent stuff. This is going to be really good, this. Look, that is so metal. Now we can connect the mounts together. We can create the mounts actually. These 4 legs. There we go. So we got 4A and 4C. And we fix these just like this. And we will need DSO 6 screws to capture these and keep them in place. There we go. I think that is exactly how that should be. Okay, let's get these screwed into place. DSO 6, just a little bit of oil on each of these screws because we are going into metal, of course. And then we can put this onto the blower assembly. There we go, brilliant. That's how that should be. You can see they're slightly offset as well from each other. Brilliant stuff. Now all we need to do is pop this into place. Put the cable through that hole. Go and get through. There we go. You can see how that lip fits under there, like so. Pull the cable through, and once we get that in position, we can screw it. There is the screw hole. We need another DSO 6 screw. Okay, keep that there like so, and we'll get the screw through the middle. Brilliant, there we go. That's nice and rigid. Excellent stuff. Now we can give that another test. Okay, let's give that another test. There we go. Excellent. Brilliant. At least we know the motor's working and everything is connected correctly. Brilliant stuff. So that is stages 3 and 4 of the Ford Falcon complete. Brilliant. There we go, guys. That is the blower assembly. Looking great. I'm just so chuffed that is metal. That is brilliant, that. The stand is as well. So that's fantastic. And we know it's working fantastic now. That's brilliant. That's going to look brilliant on the car. Lovely looking scoop as well there. Brilliant stuff. Well, 5 and 6, stages 5 and 6, they're the door. Well, we start with the door anyway. So I'll get that up on the channel as soon as possible. Excellent. There we go. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll leave the website link in the description as well as on the screen, so you can go and have a look and see what you think of this car. But it's looking brilliant, and there again is the tin poster, looking fantastic. Excellent, lovely jubbly. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.